Hi friends, we are discuss about previous paper 2006 December paper. Let us start. Which of the following is not instructional material? Not instructional. Not. Options: overhead projector, audio cassette, printed material, transparency. All over ABC is correct. D. Transparency. Not instructional material. That is option D is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct? Lecture method can develop reasoning. Lecture method can develop knowledge. Lecture method is one-way process. During lecture method, students are passive. Not correct बोले तो lecture method can develop reasoning. Lecture method can develop knowledge is correct. Lecture method is one-way process is correct. During lecture method, students are passive is also correct. Not correct. Lecture method can develop reasoning. It's not correct. Option A is correct answer. Next question. The main objective of teaching at higher education level is options: to prepare students to pass examination, to develop the capacity to take decisions, to give new information, to motivate students to ask questions during lecture. टीचिंग स्किल्स में टीचिंग एट हायर एजुकेशन लेवल मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? टू प्रिपेयर स्टूडेंट्स टू पास एग्जामिनेशन इज करेक्ट. टू डेवलप द कैपेसिटी टू टेक डिसीजंस इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. टू गिव न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे. टू मोटिवेट स्टूडेंट्स टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस ड्यूरिंग लेक्चर का टाइम में क्वेश्चंस पूछना जरूरी है टीचिंग स्किल में. ऑप्शन बी इज नॉट करेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर. टू डेवलप द कैपेसिटी टू टेक डिसीजंस इट इज नॉट करेक्ट इन टीचिंग स्किल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? रिलायबिलिटी एंश्योर्स वैलिडिटी. वैलिडिटी एंश्योर्स रिलायबिलिटी. Reliability and validity are independent of each other. Reliability does not depend on objectivity. This means option C is correct answer. Reliability and validity are independent of each other. Independent. दोनों separate. So option C is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following indicates evaluation? A options. A. Ram got 45 marks out of 200. B. Mohan got 38% marks in English. C. Shyam got first division final examination. Evaluation में all the above is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. मतलब सभी लेंगे. Next question. Research can conducted by a person who. Options देखिए. Has studied research methodology. Option B holds a postgraduate degree. Option C possesses thinking and reasoning ability. Option D is a hard worker. Option A is correct answer. Has studied research methodology. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Options देखिए. Objectives of research are stated in first chapter of the thesis. Option B, researcher must possess analytical ability. Option C, variability is the source of problem. Option D, all the above. All the above is correct answer. All are correct statements. Next question. Which of the following is not the method of research? Not the method of research. देखिए. Option A, observation. Option B, historical. Option C, survey. Option D, philosophical. Option A is not the method of research. Observation is not method. Historical is the method. Survey is the method. Philosophical is the method. Option A is correct answer. Not the method of research. Observation. Next question. Research can be classified as basic, applied and action research. Option B, quantitative and qualitative research. Option C, philosophical, historical, survey and experimental research. Option D, all the above. All the above is correct answer. Classified. क्लासीफाई किया है, कैसा है? बेसिक, अप्लाइड एंड एक्शन रिसर्च एंड क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च, फिलॉसफिकल, हिस्टोरिकल, सर्वे एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च, ऐसे क्लासीफाई किया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ रिसर्च इज, फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? सेलेक्टिंग ए प्रॉब्लम, सर्चिंग ए प्रॉब्लम, फाइंडिंग ए प्रॉब्लम, आइडेंटिफाइंग ए प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट step, identifying a problem is correct answer. Okay, thank you friends, all the best.